Hello and welcome to the Hornby Magazine workshop. In this video we're focusing on the Hornby Stanier Princess Royal, which is the subject of our DCC sound feature for the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 160, which is on sale from September the 3rd, and it's our Hornby Centenary special. As it's our Hornby Centenary special issue, we thought we'd go a bit further than usual with our sound installation. So whereas we normally add a sound decoder, speaker and stay alive, we've gone beyond that this time. Extra additions beyond those standard features, we've also added a sooth smoke generator and a pair of DCC Concepts working lamps to the front of the logo too. Now the full step-by-step guide is available to read in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine, and you can also read it here on Key Model World as well. So the whole project surrounds the MX645R sound decoder from Zimo, and connected to that we've got a Rhodes and Rails 65mm by 29mm EM2 speaker, that's also in the tender, plus we've got a 20-second stay alive back in there as well, which means that this loco can never be stopped if there's any dirt on the rails. Linking through into the locomotive, the decoder also powers the Sooth number 22 smoke generator, which is positioned underneath the chimney, while the front pair of locomotive lamps, they're the ready-made ones from DCC Concepts, and they've been mounted on the front footplate in the express lamp head co positions. All of that, like I say, that's all connected back through the loco to the sound decoder to make it all work. The sound profile on this decoder is from the Digitrains family, and it's designed to model the Stanier Princess coronations. Now, they're very closely related to the Stanier Princess Royals, both of them are 4-cylinder 462s, so we'll be able to use that sound profile here as well. Plus, it's got that all-important Stanier hooter sound for the whistle as well, which is a really distinctive feature of those locomotives. Most of the functions are already built into the decoder and ready to go. So an MX645 is ready to have a stay alive connected to it straight away, and any speaker with a 4 or 8 ohm resistance. It's also got provision on this sound decoder for lights to be connected as well. However, to add the smoke generator, we had to make a few CV changes as well. We've added this so it actually works on function 21 on a DCC handset. That's a few steps with a CV programming tool on DCC programming track to make that all work. There's also a few extra features within the Zimo software as well, which allow it to make full use of the smoke generator features. So you can set parameters within there to set the smoke loader stationary, medium speed and maximum speed. And it's also got a special setting on one of the CVs to actually activate the smoke generator as well. Now without that CV setting, your smoke generator won't make any smoke, so that's a really important one to see. And like I say, like everything else, that details in our latest issues feature on this sound decoder. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you a few of the features that are built into this decoder and set it to work here on Hornby Magazine's test track, top to down. The sound file's got a large number of features within it. So we'll start off by turning the main sounds on with function 1. And that gives us general boiler sounds, and also once we start moving it gives us the exhaust sounds, and also automatic coasting sound when we notch back on speed as well. Function 0 turns on both the front locomotive lamps, giving an express head code to the locomotive. And then we've got a couple of whistles on function 3 and function 4. So both of those, they've got the Stanier hooter sound, which is a really important part of any Stanier 462 like this. Also on function 5, there's an option to change between heavy working and light engine modes for the locomotive as well. And that changes the way the locomotive responds to speed inputs and some of the ancillary sounds as well. Function 6 will give us coal shoveling sounds. And then we can add water injector sounds on function 7 as well. Then once the fireman's built up his fire, we can draw a bit more air through it by putting the blower on with function 8. And if you've got a bit over eager, use function 12 for the safety valves. So we've also got station ambience on function 17. And with function 18, we've got a guard's whistle. But to be ready for departure, we need some smoke as well for a steam locomotive. So with function 21, we can turn on the smoke generator in front of the loco. That's been filled with sooth smoke oil, and that's heated by a small element inside the smoke generator to generate the steam. So the smoke generator can be turned on and off through function 21, but it's also been programmed as well, so that actually after 6 minutes the smoke generator will turn off automatically as well, and that's all programmable within the decoder's CV setting as well. So you can adjust that to suit what you want, so that you don't overheat the smoke unit should it run out of smoke well. The full step-by-step guide for our sound installation for the Stanier Princess Royal can be found in issue 160. That's our Hornby Centenary special, which is on sale from September the 3rd, 2020 at all good news agents, supermarkets and direct online from shop.keypublishing.com. Plus, you can check out more of our videos online at keymodelworld.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.